Okay guys, what's up? It's your boy Ken and Corey, man, and I'm on my DJI Pocket 2 and I'm literally standing in the rain. Now as you guys can see, the camera's doing its thing. It's behaving perfectly fine, still being smooth. As you can see, very smooth video. I probably wouldn't really recommend shooting in the rain often, but if you have to, I'm just giving you guys an example of what it can look like and that it can actually operate. Now I've been using this camera a whole lot more than usual because I was going on some trips to Cancun. I have another channel where I really do a lot more travels and stuff like that, and I just wanted to have a device where I could shoot on the go and be able to move without having to pack so much stuff because I was traveling, just moving and stuff. And this camera did a great job. And on top of that, because of like how dynamic it is whenever you're moving, it just captures your attention a lot easier. And I don't have to do as much editing to videos just because when a camera's on a gimbal, it just looks better, feels better. So I would highly recommend if you're trying to get a DJI Pocket 2 and if you just so happen to find this video because you're wondering how it handles in the rain, it handles very good. Now it's not freaking pouring down crazy, but it has been pouring down really crazy earlier in Houston, but I still wouldn't use any camera when it's just completely soaking and raining like that. I should probably take my trash can and bring that inside right now since I'm out here. Yeah, so just want to give you guys a quick idea of what it's like to shoot on the Osmo Pocket, on the DJI Pocket 2, and I want to go ahead and get out this rain and let you guys shoot for yourself if you guys want to get a DJI Pocket 2. I know the Pocket 3 is coming out very soon, so I kind of want to start gearing up and taking more footage on this camera because I'm probably going to be one of the first people to get the Pocket 3, and I look forward to making all kind of content with that camera. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Peace out.